now we'll see a few more tools, mainly tools of Postman. Okay, few more tools. So that is the first one out of this is out of the tools of Postman API, we will see is API design. So you can design your API specifications in Postman using Open API, RAML, GraphQL, SOAP formats. So the Postman schema editor makes it easy to work with specification files of any size, and it validates the specifications with a built-in linting engine. You can also generate Postman collections for multiple stages of your API lifecycle. For example, mocks, documentation, tests, and monitors, and more and more. So all from the specification files and all in sync. So you can create the structure of your API using the API definition. The API definition can consist of one or more multiple files. If your API does not have a definition, you can import a definition or start with a boilerplate sample definition. So Postman supports Open API, so versions of 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and RAM 0.8 and 1.0, and protobuf 2 and 3, GraphQL or WSDL definitions. So Open API definitions can be JSON or AML. RAML definitions must be AML. Protobuf definitions are proto files. So GraphQL definitions can be JSON or GraphQL. So SDL, so WSDL definitions must be XML only.